Hey guys, this is Arunat Singh and this is another video on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, click on that red color subscribe button and also click on that sorry for the sore throat. Also click on that bell icon for the notification for my for the videos. So guys, this is video on benefits of studying for boards. Why see, like many people, many aspirants who are studying for boards and also have some competitive exam, whether it be JEE Mains, NEET or AIMS, they always have some dilemma in mind, right? They have started the preparation for boards, but in between they feel stuck that they're not getting that fuel or energy for studying. They're not able to have that launch pad. So like they're in dilemma, like why should I study for boards? Is it going to be beneficial for me? So I would say yes guys, it is going to be beneficial for you, even if so like many people are from dummies too. Okay, cool, they're completely studying focused on self-study for NEET, AIMS or JEE Mains. But guys, even if you're preparing for both, it is going to be a boon to your preparation. Here are the 5 reasons why it will be a boon to your preparation. So let's begin. First of all guys, when you have like whenever you say throughout the day, when you have so many tasks, right, so you tend to be more busy, right? So that's what I'm saying. If you have preparation in your hand along with NEET, AIMS or JEE preparation, if you're preparing for board, it will prolong your study hours. So first point is that it prolongs your study hours. The duration of time for which you will be in the study zone will be prolonged, right? So this was the first point. You will be more spending more time for your books, and be more time of most of the time you'll be engrossed in your books and will not be here or there, right? Second point is related to this, that it minimizes your wastage of time. Like you see, you're busy, like you have so many things in hand. You have to study for boards, you have to practice question papers in boards, you have to improve your writing, you have to improve your presentation skills. There's so many things to be done, right? At the same time you have to practice some MCQs so that you stay in touch with the competitive exam pattern. So this minimizes wasted time. So point number 2 is that it decreases the time that you have been wasting. Point number 3 is, guys, like it gives you an opportunity to read NCERT well, guys, right? If you see, like if you prepare for boards well, you're from the science stream, you're preparing for boards well, right? So in organic chemistry, biology, right, in fact even physics, like you will read the NCERT in depth. You tend to imbibe it, you tend to remember it well, because you're reading it subjectively, not objectively, just picking up the words like which will be asked in the MCQs. You are reading it properly in depth, so you tend to imbibe it more, you tend to memorize or retain it more. It will also help you in your assertion reasoning, because you're reading the NCERT from which the assertion reasoning questions are framed. And you will also have the formulas, at least class 12 formulas on your tips, because you are serious for boards. This was point number 3. Like it helps you to read your, this gives you an opportunity to read your NCERT well. So point number 4, guys, if you're preparing for boards well, guys, definitely the more you score in board, the more time you invest, the more you score in board, and the more you score in board, greater will be your confidence. The rise in your confidence will be immense. It will shoot up, guys. Like you will be thinking, wow, I have prepared well for boards, I can see that I'm going to get good marks. Suppose you prepared for physics paper, or suppose maths paper or chemistry paper. Now you're scoring well, you know that, okay? So once you come back, you will be proud of yourself. You'll think, yo, I prepared for it last 15 days very properly. I have been devoting time and it's giving me result, and I'm getting the fruit of it. Right? My parents will be happy. I'm scoring well. I'm doing well in the class. I've done well in the class, like amongst all my batchmates, all my coaching mates. I'm doing well. My teachers will be proud of me. Now I have to replicate the same result, and I have to reproduce the same result in NEET or JEE Mains or AIMS exam. So you're actually confident, more elated and enthusiastic about studying. No, I have to give it my best shot, right? So it helps you, it gives you an opportunity to prove your mettle, and feel like, no, I can do it, man. I can do it. I will prove myself in boards. I will prove myself in NEET or AIMS exam, basic, which is going to be held like 1 to 1.5 months ahead of time, right? So the final point, guys, like after your board preparation, after the boards are done, you're done with your like class 12 syllabus, right? So the 11th syllabus, you get more time for it, right? You know that because you have prepared for boards, you're well aware of class 12 syllabus, right? You remember, it is fresh in your mind, you can rely on your memory, and at the same time the class 12 class 11 syllabus which you haven't touched for such a long time, right? Because most of the people are in class 12 are they focus on studying for class 12 only, right? And they are basically waiting for free time so that they can touch the class 11th subjects, like class 11th topic. And many people have commented in the section like how to revise class 11th. Guys, this is a very good opportunity. Study for boards, finish your class 12, and then you have time for class 11th, right? And you have almost like 1.5 to 2 months for your JMA. Like even if there is NEET paper and AIMS paper, you have like 1 month at least, 1.5 months or 2 months. At my time there was like 1 month we had in 1 month of time we had in hand for preparation of NEET, right now I think there are 50 days, right? So you're done with class 12 syllabus, guys. That's such a thing, that's such a good thing. Like you're done with class 12 syllabus, like 50% of the syllabus is already done. Now it's only like 11th syllabus you need to touch, and 11th was the syllabus that you need to devote more time, right? You did it like almost 5 to 6 months ago, so you cannot rely on your memory for class 11. You need to revise it, you need to give it again, you need to pump in more time for that. So class 12th is something that you have done recently, 11th is way ago, so you get more time. Like you are done with class 12th, you devote time for class 11th. So guys, these were the 5 points. Basically, it's good to prepare for boards, I would say. Like have a good mark if you are preparing for boards, guys. See, if you have already decided that you are going to prepare for only NEET, AIMS or JMA, you can it's okay for you, it's okay for your parents for you to have like 80 to 90% of mark. Cool, go ahead with your plan. You have some vision, you have some clarity of thought, your goal is clear for you, go ahead with that. But in case you haven't decided it yet, so I would say if you're in a dilemma, go with board. If you're preparing for boards, don't give a half-hearted approach. If you're preparing for it, aim for a good percentage. You have these benefits along with you, right? Aim for a good percentage. You always have a enthusiasm to study more and more, right? You're always interested to go in deep into the NCERT, and NCERT is the key, guys, in chemistry for both JEE Main and biology, and so JEE Main and NEET, and biology is the key for NCERT, at least NEET class 12 preparation, right? So, and even for AIMS, assertion reasoning are asked from NCERT books, right? So here was the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. Follow me on Instagram. And guys, I'm busy right now with my preparation for exams, so I won't be able to reply much, but yeah, if I get time, I do reply to people. So thank you so much, guys. Stay pumped up. If you are still in dilemma, do watch the video again. Have a clarity of mind, like yes, you're going to prepare for boards, you're going to give it your best shot, and you secure good marks, guys. All the best.